Yo, I am now hungry. I have this tortilla and I'm going to just reheat this. I was about to go out, but the sky changed to be cloudy like that, and I checked my phone and it says that there is a 40 chance of rain by 2 o'clock. I was waiting for the rain. It's already 2:15. No rain yet. I'm not feeling sleepy. Looks like oh yeah, it's good already, like that outside, so it means we can go to the grocery. We are now here. We are just going to the grocery later, but you know, to satisfy the day that we are outside, we are going to have a look around. Yeah, it's difficult to get up here, that's why he is walking. I promise you. I don't know the actual name of this kind of boat, but yeah, it's nice. I think the owner is that guy, the one that is swimming in there. I saw some of my colleagues, they are in there. I saw Leroy and the wife, they are walking around. Also I saw Lee and her kids. And you know, my landlord said that there are more people are biking around this time than before. Here, I took out my rain jacket, the other jacket, and we are here because it's hot. I'm feeling hot. I think it's Chef Matt, one of that fishing guy. Yeah, but he now got a lot of bird, unrecognizable with his bird in here, too much. Yeah. Okay, I'm not going to show myself to him. I go. Okay, we are now here. We are coming from that side, and then we moved there. We stopped there. Chef Matt is in there, and now we are here. We are just going to walk. Look at this way. There is this thing here. Okay, that's it. I'm going to the grocery now. I'm not feeling lazy. So places like this, as you can see, there is skateboarding park. It's closed. Children's playground, they are also closed. Good morning, guys. Already 10 o'clock. Yeah, this morning I wake up at around 6 o'clock already. I already had my coffee. I already had breakfast. My breakfast is longanisa, the one that I cooked, the one that I made a few days ago, weeks ago. Yeah. And oh, yesterday when I went to the grocery, I bought this one. Also Wow, look at that, very messy. But yeah, this, I bought this. And also I bought this vegetable. Oh, and soft drinks. These lemon lime butters. Yeah, that's what I bought yesterday. What else? What else? Yeah, that's it. Oh, fish. I bought a fish, a frozen one. Yeah, this frozen. I don't know what is it. Let's check. Oh, sealable. Oh, it's like this. Frozen. I don't know how I'm going to eat this. Fried or. Yeah, the name is Pollock Fillet. I think it's just a pan fry. Yeah, pan fry will be. And of course, I'm going to do sometimes a sinigang. Okay, I'm going to defrost 2 pieces. I'll defrost this in the fridge. And you know, yesterday when I was in the grocery, there is one local Australian lady. Yeah, I was in here, and then she was smiling at me and saying something, but because I have my earphone in my ear, I don't really understand. I just smile, and then I take it off, and yeah, that's how I realized that she is actually talking about my video. Yeah, that she saw my video, that my video is nice, my vlog is nice. Yeah, thank you to you if you're watching. Thank you. I was shy. I was shy to ask her name. You know, I'm shy to speak to her. But yeah, I was saying thank you. Thank you. Okay, it's already. Yeah, I already had my. No, not yet. Yeah, I'm going to make a bread. Just flat bread, ordinary flat bread. It will be just salt, flour, yeast, water. That's it. I don't have mixer. I'll just put this yeah, flour. How much is that? Yeah, it's around 300 or 400 grams maybe. Little baking powder. Continue that later. I'm now cooking my lunch. Yeah, I just put the water and the vegetable, onion and cabbage. That's it. And tomato. And the rice is cooking. It's brown rice and white rice. And these sardines, I'm going to put this in here. And some tomato sauce. I put some of this tomato sauce. put this traditional Filipino tamarind soup base. It's going to be sour. Amazing. Really rich in taste. Sour, and is the bread. Is the dough. I'll keep in the fridge. It is very windy outside. Yeah, it's already 2:30. I'm going to have a coffee. Also, I'm going to make this bread. Oh, margarine. I have margarine. This is not good, but we can actually make a nice one. Okay, we do the nice one. Outside is really windy.